Paving stone needs maintenance. Sometimes they sink. It was another DIY project. I did it 4 years ago, but I did not take any video at that time. If you are interested, check out the link in the description. It looks fantastic, eh? I used the product called High Performance Padding for the base because I wanted to avoid renting the plate compactor. However, this stuff needs to be 100% contained. Otherwise, this is exactly what happened. As you can see, the builder did not backfill the area under the stairs. So, the HPP got washed away and the paving stone started to sink. This is my solution. I used the expanding foam to fill the gap. Then I mixed the leftover self-leveling compound from the tile project and filled all the gaps. For DIY people who never used this product before, I strongly recommend it. This high-performance padding is 95% self-compact. You just used minimum force to compact it. No more crusher run and limestone screening, and no need to rent the plate compactor. I used this special rubber mallet to install the paving stone. You need to level it properly. Always make a slope to drain the water away from the house. This paving stone was made by a company called Permacon. I believe it's a Canadian company. This slab is called Rosebel. It looks like natural flagstone. I chose this because of the random pattern. There are similar products on the market, but they don't look as good. The bad part is that the slab is huge and is really heavy, but it's totally DIY-able. It was supposed to be a maintenance project and there shouldn't be any cutting needed. Wrong! Life is not always perfect. Okay, the last step is to fill the joints with polymeric sand. Usually you need to set your garden hose on mist to activate the binder and wait for a couple of minutes. Then use the leaf blower to get rid of the sand on the surface. If you don't do that, you will get a white haze when it's dried. Even if you use the leaf blower, sometimes there are spots that you may have missed. This is a known trick to remove the hardened polymeric sand from the surface. Just pour some boiling water on top and you'll be able to get rid of them very easily. The same trick can be applied to the joints. If you want to remove the old polymeric sand, it is very time consuming, but it works. I think you got the idea. By the way, I'm not sure if everyone knows, that's the Hario V60 kettle for my coffee. I hope this helps. Remember to check out other videos on my channel and please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.